Hi guys, I want to eat bulldog because I like hot chicken flavor ramen. Because try it. I will try it too. Whoa, it's so nice. It's so good, tasty, and so spicy. You try it. It's like cup noodles. I will try it. Uh-oh. And this one is infected.
Did you taste it?
Yes. It's tasty. Cheesy.
Tikman ko. Ay, nagano tabi ni pwede mo na ibigay pa. Panindigan mo yan. Oh, naubos mo yung isang water, ano?
Spicy.
You still wanna try it?
Yes. This is spicy.
Enough na yan, oh. Wala na. Lagay sa freezer na oh, tagas-tagas pa ko. Sino ba? Ha? Tabi mo na nakapahilip. Hindi. Wala ka. Ano? Pagilid. Ay. No. Ayun. You like it even it's spicy? Oh, ano? Ano? Nalabon mo, anong mula na? Nag-irit sila. Do you still wanna try it? You like it? You still like it? Oh, enough na yan? Enough na ba?
Rice it.
No, wag na mag-rice. Enough na yan. Masuka ka niyan. Enough na, enough na. Ano? Enough na yan, enough na. Okay? Enough na.
Hindi pa.
Ano? It's too spicy. You cannot eat that too much. It's spicy, right? Enough na, okay? Review. What will you say about Enough na yan, no? Ice cream, you want ice cream? The bulldog is not yummy. What will you say about the bulldog?
Try the bulldog duck. It's not yummy.
Don't try it. You will, ano? Did the kids will try it?